OnePlus 11 is all set to help you indulge in an amazing operative experience. Most amazingly, the 5G-ready flagship performer gets a massive 12GB RAM along with the latest Android V12 Oxygen monosulfide. Simultaneously, its triple camera setup is quite attractive as well. About display and camera, OnePlus 11 flaunts a 6.7 inches AMOLED type display that has a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels. A pixel density of 526 pixels per inch and an aspect ratio of 29:1. Its bezel-less display also gets layered with a Corning Gorilla Glass V7 besides being packed with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. A triple camera layout is available on the backside of the OnePlus 11, which also includes an LED flash. This camera layout features a 50 megapixels f1.8 wide-angle lens, a 48 megapixels f2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 32 megapixels telephoto sensor. The brand has also provided a 16 megapixels f2.4 wide-angle camera on the front side. Talking about configuration and battery, OnePlus 11 is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset backed by a massive 12GB RAM. An octa-core processor layout, Cortex-A715, Cortex-X3 and Cortex-A510, is equipped within the device that delivers brilliant performance while clocking at the highest speed of 3.2 GHz. To cover up the graphical requirements, the OnePlus 11 also includes an Adreno 740 GPU. The smartphone derives its operational energy from a Li polymer type 5000 mAh battery, which cannot be removed. It also supports a 100W VOOC fast charging system. About storage and connectivity, a 256GB of internal storage is available within the OnePlus 11 that is non-expandable by nature. For communication purposes, the smartphone supports 4G VoLTE networks and is 5G ready as well. Mobile hotspot, NFC, Wi-Fi, a GPS with GLONASS. Bluetooth V 5.2 and USB Type-C are also made available within.